Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install LinkedIn certifications verification with Coursera, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Go to the LinkedIn website and log in to your account. Once logged in, navigate to your profile page. Locate the Add Profile section button and click on it. Choose the Licenses and Certifications option from the drop-down menu. In the displayed form, enter the name of the certification. Next, enter the issuing organization, which in this case is Coursera. Include the issue date of the certification in the provided field. If applicable, select the expiration date for the certification. Check the box that says this credential does not expire if your certification is ongoing. Now, you will need the certification ID. Open a new tab and log in to your Coursera account. Navigate to the Accomplishments section on your Coursera dashboard. Find the specific course for which you obtained the certification. Click on Verify beside the certification title. A pop-up will appear displaying your certification details along with the certification ID. Copy the certification ID provided in the pop-up window. Return to your LinkedIn profile and paste the certification ID in the appropriate field. If there is a URL for verification, copy and paste that as well. Review all information to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Save button to add the certification to your profile. Your LinkedIn profile will now display the certification along with the relevant details. You can share your achievement with your network to enhance visibility. This process not only adds credibility to your profile but also highlights your commitment to professional development. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.